Hello everyone, let's see how we can create our own test on Google. First we have to go on Chrome. From here select Google, and here we have to type docs.google. Here you can see google.com/forms. We have to select this option. Then we have to go on Google Form sign in. Then it will ask for your ID, password. Then see here, this page will appear on your screen. Here we have a blank page, and these are the recent forms that I have already created, so it is already saved here. I can use and edit it, but let's start with the blank one. Untitled form. Here you can give a title to your test, like whatever you can give a name of. You can mention grade here, grade 6, and description we can write English grammar test. Okay, now here whatever I want to have the details of the students, first I have to write that, like I want student's name, so I will write your name or mention your name. Here we have to ask the name of the student, so it should not be multiple choice question, it should be short answer type question, one line answer, so students can write their name here. And we can click on this required button here. It means that children, they have to fill these details, otherwise they cannot move on or they cannot see the test. Then we want to know the class and section. Mention your class and section. Again we will choose here short answer type question, so whatever details we want from students, we can select for short answer. Then here at the right hand side you can see add question. Yes, here we can add our questions. You can type question here like this, or if you have already your documents saved in your system, so you can just paste from there. Just copy it and paste it. Copy, and here I can paste. Like this. And then options, again I can go on my document, I can copy from here, or you can type it, copy, and paste. All 4 options I have pasted. This one extra I can cut from here. And now I want answer key, to make answer key. For that, what I have to do, I have to go on this setting button, and here I have to select quizzes. In quizzes, just select make this a quiz and save. Now you see we have here answer key. Click on it, then click on the right option, and it is done. Fine. So this was our first question. Now let's move on to second question. But sorry, I have forgotten to give marks to my first question here. Points. In answer key only I can give marks, 1 mark. Okay, done. So this is 1 mark question. Now I can add one more, or I have already added that, I guess. Yeah, again question, I can copy it from here, copy, and then here we can paste it, and with the same procedure we can paste all the 4 options, copy, and paste. All the 4 options are here. And now answer key, bridge is the correct option, and points, how many points I want to give it, 1. Done. Okay, this is how I have created 2 questions. You can create 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, whatever questions, how many questions you want. Now you see the send button here, click on it. If you want to send it a mail to someone, you can write the email ID, like if I write here, okay, then I can send it from here. Or if I want to create a link to paste it in our Google Classroom, so I can copy from here. Fine. So like this we can send it. Let me send it by mail to someone. Send it. Now for responses you have to go here. Whatever responses will be there, like 3 students have attempted your test, or 4, 5, it will be shown here. And if you want all the details, this is a spreadsheet, create spreadsheet, go on create, and you will find a complete spreadsheet over here with time, with score, whatever score the children will get, their name will be shown here, their class, their section will be shown here, then their answers will be here. And this is how we can maintain the record of our test of our students, that whatever they have performed again on questions. And once you have created your test, it is automatically saved in your recent forms here, so you can do your prior planning to create your own test.